choose the correct answer to the questions which are given with the options. So your first question is, you are given with the array. Name the above structures. As you can see that there are rows and columns. So this is a two-dimension array with 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So the answer to this question is B. Next, Java compiled code, that is bytecode, can run on all operating system. So what is the name of the feature? So this feature is known as platform independent, as Java program can run on any platform. The size of /n is, so every character is assigned 2 bytes in Java, and /n is one, considered as one character, so its size is 2 bytes or 16 bits. Identify the operator that gets the highest precedence while evaluating the given expression. A plus B modulo C multiplied by D minus E. So the highest priority is given to modulo operator. So the answer to this question is B. Which of the following is not a valid Java keyword? So most importantly, all the keywords are written in small letters. So the answer to this question is static. The output of the following code is system.out.println math.ceil 6.4. So answer to this option is 7 plus math.floor -1 -2. -1 -2 is -3. So this math.floor will give you -3. And in turn, you will get 7 minus 3, that is 4. And since it is float, so the answer is 4.0. Math function math.ceil and math.floor function returns the answer in float. So the answer is in decimal 4.0. We will not consider this integer because the ceil function and floor function are giving the answers in decimals or float values. Now, which of the following returns a string? Length is returning integer, caret is returning the character. Replace is returning a string. Index of is returning an integer. So this is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which of the following is not true with regard to a switch statement? So we have to check that what is not correct for switch statement. So switch statement is checking for equality. So this is correct. It supports floating point constant. So switch is not supporting floating point constant. So this is the answer. Break is also used and case is also used in switch. So A, C, and D are true. So B is the statement which is not true. Consider the following array. Char ch is equal to AEIOU. So write the output of the following statement. System.out.println ch0. So the starting index of the array is considered as 0. So A is at 0 index. So ch of 0 will return integral value of A. So the ASCII value of A is 65. The ASCII value of A is 65. Now then ch into 2. So 65 into 2. And the answer is coming 130. So answer to this question is 130, and that is option B. To execute the loop 10 times, which of the following is correct? Now, let us begin with this. I is equal to 11, I less than equal to 30, I is incremented by 2. So, what all values this particular function is going to give you? First, it is 11, then increased by 2, that is 13, then 15, then 17, then 19. You can count quickly. 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. Then 29 plus 2 is 31, which is making this condition false. So now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer to this is A. Rest of them you can check, it is less than. Same way you can check for the rest of the statement. So it is giving you less than 10 times. Now the next question. A single dimension array has 50 elements. Which of the following is the correct statement to initialize the last element to 100? So 50 elements are there and first index is 0. So the last index is 49. So how will you write the statement? X of 49 is equal to 100. So this is the correct option. Method prototype for the method compute which accepts two integer argument and returns true false. Returning true false, so it is boolean. So boolean, this will be correct because capital B will not be considered as Java is case sensitive. So returning value is boolean and arguments are integers. So int A and int B. So this is the correct option. So the parameters which are given are integers. So two integer parameters and return value is boolean. So answer B is the correct. This boolean is not considered because it is in capital letter and Java is case sensitive. Now coming to the next question, question number 13. The statement that brings the control back to the calling method is return. Return statement sends the control back to the calling method. The default value of Boolean variable is false. Boolean variable is either true or false, but by default the Boolean variable is assumed to be initialized to false. Question number 15. The method to convert a lowercase character to uppercase is, so since it is a character conversion from lowercase to uppercase, so character dot to uppercase char. This method is going to convert a lowercase character to uppercase. Now we have assertion and reason based question. Question number 16. Integer class can be used in program without calling a package. It belongs to the default package java.lang. So java.lang is the default package which contains the wrapper class integer. So assertion is true and reason is the correct explanation. So the answer to this question is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion A. That is the correct answer. Because integer is a wrapper class and which is inside the Java default package java.lang. Now the next question is question number 17. A student executes the following code to increase the value of a variable x by 2. He has written the following statement which is incorrect. X is equal to plus 2. So what is the correct statement? See, this statement, when we want to increase x by 2, we can write either x is equal to x plus 2. This is one way of writing that statement. And the second statement is x plus equal to 2. This is the second way of writing the same statement. So this is A and x is equal to x plus 2 is C. So both A and C are the correct option. The statement used to find the total number of string present in string array string S. So length attribute of the array is finding how many number of string elements are present. So this is the correct answer. Length attribute. Consider the following program segment in which the statement are jumbled. Choose the correct order of statement to swap two statement using the third variable. So for swapping, the correct sequence of statement is int t is equal to 0. This should be the first one. Then the next statement is temporary is equal to A. Then A is equal to B. And then B is equal to temporary. So this is the correct sequence. Now let us see to this. Yeah. Now let us see to this. This is which statement? This is a statement number 4. This is a statement number 3. Temporary is equal to A is a statement number 4. A is equal to B is a statement number 1. And this statement is a statement number 2. So 3, 4, 1, 2. This is the correct answer. And the last objective question is again an assertion and reason based question. An argument is a value that is passed to a method when it is called. Variables which are declared in a method prototype to receive values are called as actual parameter. An argument is a value that is passed to a method when it is called. So this is true. And variables which are declared in a method prototype to receive values are called actual parameter. So the answer to this question is whenever we are writing in the method prototype, they are called as parameters, not the actual parameter. They are called as parameters. They are not the actual parameters. Okay. So that is why assertion A is true and the reason is false. The answer option is option number C. So these are the objective type question. Rest of the detailed answering questions we will be discussing in our next part of the paper solution. Okay, so we'll solve the second part in our next video. So please be with me so as to watch this in the next video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Thank you.